All right, good morning, guys. We are back again working on the van. I have no idea how many days we're at now, but it's starting to come along. So we've got our toolbox in. It's pretty sturdy. We're about to start adding in, oh well, Carter put in a bunch of insulation.
It was awful.
It was terrible.
Sacrifice clothing for it.
Fiberglass sucks. And honestly, I don't really know if it's going to make that much of a difference. But
It's the thought that counts.
I guess it's the thought that counts. Anyways, we're going to start with this back corner here because it's going to be the most complicated, and we'll have to do that before we can really do anything else. So points here, 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 and all the way across the back for our countertop slash table slash shelving slash whatever else we might use it for. So let's get started. Update time. So we started framing out this countertop workbench area right here, and then we decided that it would probably be best if we did the first bed first. So I'm gonna come around here. All right, so basically the plan of attack is these are in, well, these three are in. Carter's working on getting the one down there, we're making sure everything's level. We're gonna throw in a couple more, I guess, like pegs or whatever, and then a couple more by the wheel well here, and we're basically gonna frame out around the wheel well in the shape of a C or a backwards C, and then we'll set the plywood on top and bolt it down. So that's the plan. Similar to this side, just gonna be taller. So it's coming together. It's not too bad. A little bit tedious, but could have guessed that. Anyways, we are very quickly running out of daylight, so I wanted to give a quick update.
Oh, that's a nice look.
So, this is how far we've gotten today. The couch bed, I guess we're calling it, is pretty much completely framed in. We'll probably have that framed in before we stop tonight. And then obviously you saw earlier, we started the frame for the countertop slash long bed for me. Yeah, it's dark, can't see. But yeah, so I'll try and get any more footage if I can, but light's not that great, so yeah. Alright, so we couldn't stop. We were so amped on the progress. So Carter is measuring out our siding. Here's the bed, all framed out. You can barely see it. We're throwing up siding real quick, real easy, and then we are going to cut out the plywood for the bed because we just really want to see what it's going to look like at this point. Yeah, so we're gonna get this knocked out. It's New Year's Eve. Happy New Year. Morning, guys. We're back again. New Year's Eve was the last time we worked on the van.
Yep.
We struggled through and got this finished. Came out really well. Really good.
Don't
really
mind
well.
the 2x4s that are currently under it.
This
We're
is
testing its.
this is for phase 2, but yeah, storage capacity is definitely solid. So today the plan is to basically do what we did here over here, and we kind of got started. That's gonna have to come out, and we came up with a better plan of action. So yeah, let's get to it. Anything else you want to add?
Nope. Let's get a move on.
Let's do it. All right, so quick update. Carter is trying to staple some of the loose pieces of the floor in because they like to move around a lot. The adhesive is not very strong. But we've got we're about, I don't want to say halfway done. We're probably a third of the way done. It's all pretty easy from here. So we just got to finish. Basically, we're making like an L shape around the wheel well and this rear AC. We gotta finish building that in, and then we basically take a whole 2x4 and just come straight down this way. Kind of like what we did on this bed here. Straight down, bolt it together, and start with our slats going across. So I think that's about it. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright, what's up guys? We've been busting our asses trying to get this knocked out today.
All day.
Because we only got one more free weekend before the 24 Hours of Rolex in Daytona, which is pretty much...
It's like our main event we go to every year. But...
And it was one of the main driving factors behind getting the van, other than the whole race car, race team, tow rig, stuff like that. So...
Let's be honest, it was definitely being cold and getting rained on at our last time in Daytona.
Mostly.
But...
And I keep bitching at Carter to get something to tow his own car with.
Hey,
so.
we got something. You just had to contribute.
I did. I had to buy half your tow rig.
It's okay. You can use it too.
So this is how far we've gotten. We're about ready to lay the plywood on the countertop / bed. Obviously, you saw that we had the lower bed all done.
And a great workbench.
And honestly, it's coming out way better than I could have expected. I mean, that thing is absolutely solid. We made sure that we bolted it to the side of the van as well as to the floor. And it's pretty damn level. And yeah,
it's...
I mean, I couldn't be more happy with how it's turning out. So we're gonna cut some plywood real quick and get it installed and then test it out for rigidity, see if we need to do any cross bracing or anything like that. But I mean, it's looking pretty good. So
yep. Let's cut some plywood.
Let's do it. Alright guys, it's the next weekend. Picking up where we left off. We officially got the countertop bed in, the toolbox in the back, and the lower couch bed in. And we are, you know, about ready to start the finishing touches. But I think we're gonna call it for this video. It's gonna end up being like 40 minutes long if we keep going. So I don't really know. Actually, that's not true. I don't really know how much footage I have. So We'll find out when I go back to edit it. I think I got a decent amount.
Yeah, we've got enough finishing work, but we'll have plenty more content.
Yeah, so we're about to end this video and then start another video right now. So, you know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video that we will start filming right now.